It's a very good trend of this niche, but competition is high. Hello everyone, this is Hanan. Welcome to Amazon Affiliate Marketing and SEO course. Today our lecture number 6. In this lecture we're going to have a look at the criteria that we already discussed, what we need to see: keyword volume, and or you can say the volume of niche, DA and Google trend, what we need to see. Let's start from Google trend. Viewers, in the Google trend should be a word and the Google trend should be 50 plus, and if the trend is 50 plus, it means this niche is have a good Google trend. Except this, viewers, and your niche, which is niche should not be seasonal. Like, it should not be a seasonal evergreen. You must choose a evergreen niche. Seasonal is a winter or a summer related. Your niche shouldn't be that like winter gloves, your not. It's a seasonal niche, because in summer this there is people not gonna search this winter gloves, which means you are not going to earn as much in the summer season. So your niche should be a evergreen. So let's see how we need to look at the trend best. Let's search on evergreen niche and explore. When you search the Google trend here, I will explain you, explore the related topics as well, because it will help you to find a good niche. Related topics or queries. So here best running shoes. Okay, now there are some you need to select here. There is no kind of worldwide. Okay, you and you can see 100, 84. It's a very good trend of this niche, but competition is high. So US, Ireland, UK, Singapore, Australia, this is the Google trend. You can see related topics. These are the related topics you can explore more, and related queries. Best running shoes for men 2023. So must explore this. This is the way we check this Google trend. So Google trend should be a 50 plus, and your niche should be a evergreen niche. So now let's be specific. Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you are going to create your website on Amazon affiliate marketing, your niche should start from best. Okay, like best running shoes, or I'm gonna use or and with review, like running shoes review or running shoes reviews. So it's a or best or and start from best or and with a review. Now the volume for keyword volume for Amazon affiliate marketing should be 1000 plus per month. It's a minimum volume, and except this, we're gonna have a look at the this is the Amazon affiliate marketing. Now let's see for the, if you are Google AdSense. So Google AdSense, for Google AdSense niche, volume should be 30,000 plus per month. Okay, per month 30,000 keyword volume should be per month. Now what is the difference between Amazon affiliate marketing niche and Google AdSense niche? Viewers, for the Amazon affiliate marketing, if we compare both Amazon and Google AdSense website, so you will get a high rate if you flip this website, which means if you sell this website, you will get rate is higher of Amazon website as compared to the Google AdSense. Okay, and but if you going to write the content by yourself, that's fine. But if you are going to get the service for content writing service for Amazon affiliate, so high content writing cost is high in Amazon affiliate marketing, whereas in Google AdSense content writing cost is low. Lengthy content in Amazon affiliate marketing, we're gonna learn the content writing as well, and so lengthy content in Amazon affiliate marketing, but low competition niche easy to find in Amazon affiliate marketing as compared to the Google AdSense. Okay, DA at least one website should be less than 25 DA on SERP. Like we see in the previous lecture, best running shoes, there is one website where I think DA was around 11. So because, let me explain you, it will be easy for you as much website you will have with low DA, because you're gonna replace those website easily. Now only one, suppose in this scenario there is only one website having a DA 10, so you have less chances to got this position as compared to if you have a 5 website which you're gonna have less than 25 DA, like 10, 15, 20, so you will gonna have more chances of ranking. So for me, at least should be a one website, but it will be a best if have at least, if 3 to 5 website less than 25. This is not a specific rule or a specific, if you find a very good volume of niche but the DA is like high, suppose in this situation 30, so you're gonna compromise on DA. If you have a high volume but trend is somehow low or not very much low, a little bit, so you're gonna compromise on trend. So that's how we see all the things, Google trend, keyword, volume and DA of all websites. So that's all from niche research. We're gonna discuss more to this niche research. Now this is the criteria of niche research. Start practicing this niche research, start finding niche. I'm gonna share the different methods of niche research as well in upcoming lectures, but start practicing of this niche research. Now you have all the criterias. Now it is time to buy these tools. Now you can buy, after this lecture, you can buy these tools, keyword volume, keyword everywhere, and Moz. But if you as I mentioned, somehow for any reason you don't, or you unable to buy all the tools separately, you can reach me out on Instagram. So I will share in a tools where you buy, so in a low price you can buy this. You can reach me out on Instagram, so directly DM me. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.